Good morning from Grand Family Farm. It's February 17th, 2025, and it's about 10:40 in the morning. I just got to finish watering all the animals. It's 34 degrees. It was snowing this morning, and now it's melting. So my barn roof really needs to be replaced, so it's kind of raining in spots in there. Here Harold moved his water dish in the house, and this one too was out in the meadow. I was able to get it with a pitchfork, but it makes things difficult. One of these days I'll get the new pig pens put up where I have gates where I can walk inside. Just climbing over the fence in the winter really isn't fun. Anyway, the sun's kind of popping out here and there. It's definitely a lot brighter than it was this morning. We're just about out of hay, so take the straps up so Doc can take him on his pickup and go get some more hay for us today. Hopefully that guy's there. Well, hopefully Doc gets back with the hay